Hi, this is Dan from the QuickBooks team. You can access your client's books directly from QuickBooks Online Accountant. But first, you need to add them to your client list. Let's go over how to set up a new client, create a new account for them, select their billing and subscription options, and what to do if you ever need to update their info. If your client already has a QuickBooks account, they should invite you as an accountant user. Check out our video on how to add and manage users for those steps. To start, select Clients and then Add Client. Next, choose whether your client is an individual or a business. Then fill in their info. For business name, be sure to use the business's legal name to ensure accurate account information. Now choose whether you or they will pay for their subscription and the discount you want to apply. When you select any option, you'll see more details about the discount here. Next, select which subscription you want for your client. You can compare the different QuickBooks Online products here. You also have the option to skip ahead. After you make a selection, you can add QuickBooks Payroll or QuickBooks Time to their company. Note that when you add some features, others may appear grayed out. That means something you selected earlier already includes it, or you'd have to change your selections to add it. If you change your mind, select Change, and you can choose something different. Select this box if you want to be the primary admin of this company. The primary admin is the company's main contact, has the authority to make decisions about the data in the account, and manages access to company info. The primary admin is the only person who can delete all company data from our system. If you're creating a new QuickBooks Ledger subscription and would like to add your client as the primary admin, make sure you do not select the Make Me the Primary Admin checkbox. When everything looks right, select Place Order. QuickBooks sends a confirmation email to your client that lets them set up their password. If anything ever changes about your client, select Edit to update their info. Now you're ready to set up your clients in QuickBooks Online Accountant.